Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can finish this part of the Dress to Impress summer quest. So you're going to go to the cave here and you're just going to pick up a lantern. So you need to basically watch out for traps and the monster. You'll be able to hear the monster coming when your heart is beating fast, so do not use your stamina or else it will get to you. You need to use it when it's close. You'll hear your heartbeat go kind of faster. Here, I'm just looking for the clues. You're just going to press E. You don't need to write anything down. It's going to be automatically like placed in the wall. As you can see, there's a monster there, so don't get close to it. It is a little bit easier if you have friends with you, but right now I'm just soloing it out. You just need to basically press E and then the clue will automatically be added to the cave wall. Once you have found all the clues, you'll need to put it in the keypad and you'll be automatically transferred back to the lobby, just like return to lobby, and you'll get your item. Again, just be careful of the traps. Well, you'll see later, but you have 3 lives, so if you do die because of the monster or because of the trap, it's mostly because of the monster. You won't die because of the trap. I think you will just die because the monster will get to you, basically. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Also, another thing I'd like to note, so clues are found in like trees and in like the on like the stones. You can like go up the stones if you can't find any, like the rocks. But yeah, those are just my tips. It's actually not that difficult. It's the easiest quest, I think, from the like Halloween and Christmas events. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.